Okay. So we were doing this example number 3. I hope you all have done this halfway. Half was completed. You can show me the thumbs up. I'm explaining it again from here. PQ is a chord of length 8 centimeter and the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. And our target is to find the length of the tangent, that is PT. The length of the tangent PT. So first of all, what we did one construction. We have taken OT as the angle bisector which is joining, which is touching your center. Okay. We have taken it as a angle bisector by our construction. All right. So what happens in these two triangles, PT and TQ, both are triangle. Now the length of the tangents from an external point, they are equal, isn't it? So PT and TQ are equal, and TR is the common one. And by our construction, we have taken that these two angles are being bisected by OT. So now these two triangles are congruent by side angle side SAS congruency. So we can prove the congruency. Now by CPCT, what will happen? PR will become equal to RQ, that is 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter respectively. Anybody having problem in proving the congruency of these two triangles can raise hand. Then I am proceeding. Now we have got this as 4 centimeter and this also has 4 centimeter. Okay. So now what will happen? By CPCT also we are getting these two angles as 90 and 90 because congruent and these are the linear pairs and they are equal also by CPCT. So it will be 90-degree. So everybody knows that the line which is passing through the center and is perpendicular, then it will bisect the chord. So it is 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter. Now in the right angle triangle PRO, we have 190-degree and we have the height 4 centimeter and the hypotenuse 5 centimeter. So we can calculate RO as 3 centimeter. Anybody having any problem till here? See, again, I am telling you all here, they haven't shown the congruency of the triangle. You will have to show the congruency of the triangle and then you will have to proceed for finding out the 3 centimeter. All right. Now, after finding this value, you have two choices. You can either use similarity of the triangles or you can do in the way you were doing for grade 9. So I will be telling you how we are using the similarity here to find out the value of the triangle. Now, here you can see that in these two triangles, let me erase all the previous one. Now, here, if you see these two angles, P, T, P, Q, and angle OPR. These two angles will add up to 90-degree. Here, TPR and angle RPO. Why? Write in the chat box because your voice is not coming. So write it in the chat box why it will be 90-degree. So there is one answer, yes. The tangents and the radius are perpendicular to each other. Correct. Yes, you have given the correct answer. The tangents and the radius are perpendicular to each other. So they will form 90-degree. Now, because you have already proved that this is 90-degree, so in this right angle triangle also, in this right angle triangle PRT, this particular angle and this angle, these two angles will be 90-degree. TPR and angle PTR. This is also 90-degree. So you can equate each other. I hope you know the reason now why. The reason is that because we have already proved this to be 90 degree. So the remaining two angles of the triangle will be 90 degree according to the angle sum property of the triangle. So these two equations can be equated. Now TPR both side they are common, the angle is common. So angle RPO is equal to angle PTR. Now why we are doing this? We are doing this for using the similarity of the triangle. अगर आप similarity नहीं use करना चाहते हैं, then also you can find out the length of the PT like we did it in grade 9. That also we will revise. But before that, let's learn how to apply the similarity of the triangles in such cases. So what is happening now? Here, moving on a little bit lower, I need the screen also, figure also, so I'm making it little smaller. So removing all the annotations. All right. So now here you can find in this two triangle, the triangle PTR and angle P and the triangle PRO. These two triangles are similar. Who can prove the similarity of these two triangles? It is already done here by the similarity. Just we have to mark the angles. So see beta, first triangle that we are considering is TRP. TRP. ये वाला triangle. This we are considering. So here we have got 90 degree and angle PRO. PRO. Here also we have got 90 degree. So one has already given the answer and is correct. आरएचएस से हो गया कॉन्ग्रुएंट. हाँ, कॉन्ग्रुएंसी तो पहले ही प्रूव हो गई थी बेटा. अभी सिमिलैरिटी ले रहे हैं सो दैट वी कैन टेक द रेशियो एंड वी कैन फाइंड आउट द लेंथ ऑफ द पीटी. We are already done with the congruency of these two triangles. Now we are taking similarity of the two triangles. Which two triangles? PRT and PRO. We are taking these two. ठीक है. So here we have got 90 degree, here also 90 degree. So what will happen? And moreover, we have just proved these two angles RPO, RPO. In this triangle, we have got this angle and PTR. Sorry, RPO is this angle, not this angle. RPO is this angle, and then we are taking the angle which one is this angle, this angle. ये दोनों triangle, different triangle. One is PRO. So in this triangle, this angle we have got, and in this triangle, this angle we have got. So two angles of the corresponding triangles are equal. So by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. I hope you remember AA similarity. Any problem in proving the similarity of the triangles? First angle 90-90 and second angle just we proved it above, that this angle of this particular triangle PRT and this angle of PRO both are equal. So by AA similarity, these two triangles are similar. Any problem to anyone, beta? Raise hand if any problem is there. No? Okay. Should I proceed then? All right. So now moving on to taking the corresponding parts, we have TP. The ratio will be taken as TP by PO. Just see the angles. TP is opposite to the 90 degree and PO is also opposite to the 90 degree. So we'll be taking the ratio according to the angles. So TP by PO will be equal to RP. RP is opposite to this angle. So RP and then RO. RO is opposite to this angle. Correct? So RO. So we have taken the similarity, the ratio of the similar triangles. Okay? So TP by PO is equal to RP by PO and put the values. PO is your 5 centimeter. That is the radius of the circle. RP you have calculated, that is 4 centimeter. And RO is 3 centimeter. That was also calculated. So you have got the value of TP. So this is the form we are taking by similarity of the triangles. Now, if you remember, we have done the same question in grade 9, same question, and we have not used similarity. There we have used the Pythagoras theorem. Once we got all the values, we have used the Pythagoras theorem. So how? TP is your x. Suppose it is x, you are not aware, and TR is your y. Alright. So now what will happen? X square will be equal to this, x square is equal to y square plus 4 square. I'm just writing it. If you take TP as x, if you take TP as x and TR as y, this as y. So by Pythagoras theorem, you can apply x square. Here you can see x square is equal to y square plus 16. So it will be y square plus 16. Any problem to anyone in taking this particular ratio? Anybody having any problem? Please raise hand. In taking this ratio, x square is equal to y square plus 16. It's just simple the Pythagoras theorem that these sides are x square and these are y square. So x square, y square, x square will be equal to y square plus 4 square, that is 16. And same way in this triangle, what will happen? This is your 5 square, all right. This is your 4 square, and this is completely, this will be y plus 3 because we have taken TR as y. So RO is 3 already calculated. So whole square, the complete big triangle you are taking. P, T square and R, PO square and TO square. This 90-degree triangle you are taking, and you are getting these two equations. The moment you solve them, you will reach up to finding a 20 by 3. So this is the way we did it in grade 9. The same way. And this is the way we did it by applying the similarity of the triangles. Both ways are correct. And you can also follow both the ways. There is no restriction of following the okay, the method. Anyone having still any problem, any doubt in this question? No? Should I proceed? Yes, beta. Should I proceed? Okay. So now, proceeding to the exercise, now we were moving on to the exercise here. So here, moving on to exercise 10.2, the question is, from a point Q, the length of the tangent to the circle is 24 centimeter. The figure is not drawn. I'm drawing the figure. So to a circle from a point Q, that is outside the so outside the circle, there is a point Q, and we need to, the length of the tangent is 24 centimeters. So let it be 24 centimeters. So this is 24. This is 24 centimeter. All right. And the distance from Q to the center is 25 centimeters. So let it be the center of the circle O. So the distance is 25 centimeter. What will you do? This is 25. This is 5 centimeter, and you will be joining from the radius. So obviously the radius and the tangents, they are going to be equal to each other. The radius and the tangents are equal to each other. So this is 90 degree. Now can you find out the radius? What theorem you will be applying? Yes, Aryan is putting a tick there. Good. So what theorem you have applied, beta? The Pythagoras theorem. Simple, the Pythagoras theorem. Why? Because you have already got this two lines to be perpendicular. So this becomes the hypotenuse, this base, and you can calculate the radius and it will come out to be 7 centimeter. Good. Now, anybody having any doubt in question number 1? Yes, anybody having any doubt in question number 1? Raise hand. None? Okay. Okay, do teachers allow you all to keep the cameras off? Yes? Or am I allowing you to keep the cameras off? Alright. Now, moving on to question number 2. So, the figure is already given that if TP and TQ are the tangents to the circle with center O, so that angle POQ is 110 degree, then you need to find out angle PTQ. So here you already know that this is 90 degree and this is 90 degree, and this figure is a quadrilateral. So the angle sum, by the angle sum property of the quadrilateral, this will be 360 degree, isn't it? So 90, 110, 90. So how much it is? Total 200 and 180, 90. So 290. So what will be the answer? From where you got this 360? This is the angle sum property of a quadrilateral. So in the chat box, I have already got the answer, 70 degree. So only Aryan is with pen and pencil giving all the answers. Others are just listening or what? Give me the answers. All right. Any problem to anyone? Do question number 3 and give me the answer. You see, are inclined to each other, matlab this angle. If the tangents are inclined to each other, that means this angle you have to take. All right. So in the chat box, I have got the answer. Okay. 2 have given answer, already given answer. Okay, before that, give me the attendance once. So 16 are present. Let me do it in 10D. So who all are absent, beta? Okay, Yashvi, there many are giving the answer correct, and the answer is also Yashvi, you are giving 70 for which question, beta? Yashvi?
I'm third.
Third, 70 कैसे होगा? एक बार check करो. Check your answer. Okay. Give me the attendance once, please. Anybody? Pawnee is writing 50. Yes. Aditya, Athar, Ivanthe, 4. Okay. Now Maybelline is also absent. Okay. Just a minute, beta. I'll just copy the names here. Maybelline is also absent. So 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. No, one more name. Adya Chawla is absent, I suppose. Grover is there. And Aditya, Atharva, Ivanthe, Mablin, and one more. Yash is also absent. Okay.
Ma'am,
So
Naman.
Naman is also absent. 17. So 16 are present. Okay. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Yes, Naman. Your voice, actually, I don't know how the setting has changed. The voice is not coming from your end. Slight voice aa rahi hai. Okay. Now I'm again coming on to this part. Uh, Question number 3, one or two children gave wrong answer. Let's solve it. Question number 3. So now what is there? Uh, if tangent PA and PB from a point P to a circle O are inclined to each other at 80 degree, so that the tangents names are PA and PB. So this is A and this is B. Now this is P and they are inclined to each other at 80 degree. ठीक है? So this is 80 degree and then POA where O is the center of the circle. ये भी same ही question हो गया. This is 90 and this is 90. So what is this angle? This type of angle it is here. ठीक है? So 90 90 180 180 plus 80 180 plus 80 8 8 16 260. Mm-hmm. Happened. The annotation stopped. Okay, so this is 260, isn't it? And plus 9, 90 90 180 plus 80 8 8 16 can 260. कितना आंसर आ रहा है? 50. अच्छा OPA OPA. So you need this answer. Vani, you need to calculate this answer. Go and calculate. Yes, how you have calculated, beta? तो ये कितना आ रहा है? 100 हो गया. ये complete angle 100 हो गया. And you know that this is the line which joins with the center, bisects the angle. So it will be, अभी हमने किया था ना congruency proof, अपने construction से किया था. तो vice versa if we will take, then we will get 50 degree. The angle A is coming out to be 50 degree. Correct. All right. So in the chat box, answers are coming. Yes. We need POA. Yes. Line will bisect. So everybody has given the correct answer. Now everybody has given the correct answer. So the angle which was to be calculated was P. अच्छा POA भी लाना था. ये POA ये एंगल लाना था. आधा हो जाएगा. ये 100 आया था तो इसका हाफ हो जाएगा. तो ये आपका 50 डिग्री हो जाएगा. बेटा द questions in which I have just gone through one of the papers of MCQs by R.D. Sharma and it was very very good. So you may go through those MCQs. I got it for grade 9. I was not able to the in the shop I was not having for grade 10, so I brought for 9th. I'll be bringing it for grade 10th also. So you may find it for grade 10th and it is a very very good book. MCQ. I will send the picture of this book. Okay. What happened? Mute हो गया था. So now you can buy this book also. ठीक है. Now I'm stopping sharing. It is showing the session will end. Okay. All right. Okay. Bye bye. Better you can continue with the exercise. You can continue with the questions. Try doing it. If not able to, as such, I'll be continuing with the exercise tomorrow. But you can also try the questions. They are not very hard. ठीक है. चलो, I'm ending the session. Bye bye. Thank you everyone.